I'm so happy and speechless right now that actually this is the day that I could do it. So yeah, let's just start with the intro because it's 1:39, you can see, so it's very late. I'm very sleepy, but I just want to make this video right now and open that thing. So let's start with the intro like right now. Okay, so what am I talking about is Nintendo Switch and this one game. Literally, this is the only game I bought Nintendo Switch for, and it is Zelda Breath of the Wild. I was waiting to play this game from like 2017 when Nintendo Switch regular one came out. I believe this was the year, and to this day I still wanted to play it so badly that I decided that yep, this is the day. This is the day to buy it, find it in a store, and just get it and start playing it in Subway. Yeah, that's a kind of interesting story to begin with. But okay, let's talk about it. I was trying to buy this Nintendo for so long already, and it was just impossible to buy it. GameStop, from the name GameStop, where you should get this Switch probably, maybe, because like what else they can do? They are selling console, but they weren't selling consoles, and I wanted to buy game there, but they are not selling games there. So like, what are they even doing? What can I buy there? If I can't really buy console and game, then what can I buy there? And like, why are they even existing? Okay, yeah, that's for another topic actually, but they also didn't have this console again. I went to like 4 different GameStops and they didn't have this console. I even went to Best Buy. Also, there was not even small chance to get this console. And then I went to Target and they actually had it. And that was the last one. Literally. And I decided that I will go again to GameStop to see if they have this game. So I went there and I saw online it was for like $36. But in a store, a girl said to me, "Oh, yeah, of course we have this game for $60. Oh, actually, yeah, but I can't really do price match for you in the store. Yeah, it's online for 30, but I can't do for cheaper than 60 for you in the store. Yeah. So I did price match myself, and also I used like 10k. Okay, now I have 26 minutes to talk about this Switch, so let's unbox that thing. You might saw already some unboxing on YouTube, right? But okay, this is gonna be mine. So here you can see the box. I got this one, LITE, because I don't really want OLED. I saw OLED and it's just huge. I didn't want it regular one because it's ugly for me. Right now we're in 2000 almost 22, so it's really looking outdated. And this is actually the one that I want. It's very small, looks just beautiful, and I'm never gonna connect it to any monitor, to any screen different than this one, because I'm just gonna use it in Subway, right? Because let's be honest, riding 1 hour under the ground in Subway, and there again another hour, so actually 2 hours under the ground. I'm really not gonna use my phone in those 2 hours, so this is gonna be really incredible thing to have. So let's do it like so, and let's take it, and you can see right here how it's presenting, and whoa, this thing is beautiful. But it's actually funny that it is in this kind of foil, and let's take it out. It's looking like that. There's matte. Okay, and let's take this part from here and see, there's just charger. Wow, that's all actually in the box, nothing else. So this thing can do 7.5 watts or 39 watts of charging, so that's okay. And now let's unbox the only game that I care about for this Nintendo Switch. Literally first game that I bought for Nintendo Switch, and the only one, like, for real. So there's coming addiction probably here, and I want to try it if actually there's like some weird taste to this cartridge. Okay, what is kind of interesting to me that I saw while I was comparing LITE to the OLED model, I realized how big OLED model is, because you can see from my left to right I can almost catch the Switch, you can see, and OLED model was literally one Joy-Con bigger. So here's the game, let's open that. I hope this camera is actually recording, and here's the cartridge. Here in better quality, I guess, and let's take it off, and yeah, that's it in the box. There's like no map, no nothing. I guess everyone know how this cartridge is looking like. I mean, I didn't knew. How would I? Maybe you also didn't knew. Okay, let's... Oh my god. This actually have this like weird taste to it. Oh my god, from all the sides. This is actually great that they did it. Woo! Speakers! Oh yeah, this actually has speakers. I hope I can connect this Switch to my headphones. This is not like PlayStation. I need to press A instead of this, which is B. Whatever, okay. Thank you for watching, and yeah, see you in another video. Also, okay, this doesn't have this taste. My god, this is so beautiful. Alright, bye bye. No way.